Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce website bounce rate with WordPress, complete guide step by step clearly. First, understand what bounce rate is and why it matters. Bounce rate refers to the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing only one page. A high bounce rate can indicate that your content isn't engaging or relevant to your audience. Start by analyzing your website's current bounce rate using Google Analytics. Identify the pages with the highest bounce rates to determine where improvements are needed. Improve your website's loading speed, as slow sites often lead to higher bounce rates. Use tools like Geekmetrics or Google PageSpeed Insights to check your site's performance. Optimize images and minimize the use of heavy scripts to enhance loading times. Create high-quality, engaging content that meets your audience's needs. Utilize headings, bullet points, and images to break up text and make it more digestible. Ensure your content is relevant to your target keywords to attract the right visitors. Review your website's design and user experience to ensure it is inviting and easy to navigate. Implement responsive design to ensure optimal viewing on all devices. Reduce distractions by limiting ads and pop-ups that can irritate visitors. Utilize clear calls to action throughout your content to guide users to the next step. Incorporate internal linking to encourage visitors to explore more pages on your site. Consider adding a related posts section at the end of your blog articles to encourage further reading. Use exit intent pop-ups to capture visitors before they leave, offering them value like discounts or free guides. Assess your site's navigation structure, making it intuitive for users to find information quickly. Finally, continually monitor your bounce rate and make adjustments based on user feedback and analytics data. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively reduce your website's bounce rate and improve user engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.